Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pupil Teacher Education. I hope you are doing well in your studies. In last session, we have discussed about various types, methods and reference material for teaching reading. So today we are going to discuss about few questions in reading skill. So let us start the session. The first question is, good reading depends upon a lot of practice in dash dash. There are four basic skills in learning any language, that are listening, speaking, reading and writing. The child first listens to the language and then tries to imitate it by speaking. Little by little, his speaking ability is developed. Once he acquires the skill of listening and speaking, the child is prepared for reading and writing. After this, the child learns writing. So, if the teacher wants that the child should develop the ability of reading, then the teacher should first develop the listening and speaking ability of the child. So, before reading, listening and speaking should be developed. So, we can say that good reading depends upon a lot of practice in listening and speaking skill. So, this one is the correct option. Next question is, dash are called graphic skills. While listening and speaking, we produce sounds with the help of speech organs. But while writing, we write with written symbol. So we can call writing as a graphic skill. But before writing, we have to learn reading. So, where do we use graphic symbols apart from writing? The answer is reading. Because in reading aloud, graphic symbols are recognized and matched with sound symbols. So, reading and writing are called graphic symbols. So, fourth option is correct. In reading and writing, we are using graphic symbols. The next question is, dash dash are called passive skill. In listening, we hear what the person in front of us says, or whenever we are listening to something, we remain calm and try to understand it without any activity. We remain quiet there. We do the same thing while reading silently. The action only goes in our mind. Here we do not express anything. It means in listening and reading we remain silent, while in speaking and writing we express certain things like emotions, feelings, thoughts and suggestions. Here we are physically active in spoken and written form. So we can say that speaking and writing are active skills. And when we are remain calm and quiet and just understanding what the person says or whatever we are reading, it means we are remaining calm in these both skills. So, listening and reading are passive skills. So, correct option is this. Here it is the first one. The next question is, graphic symbol is recognized and matched with sound symbols in which skill? See, in listening and speaking, we are using sounds to listen and speak. While writing, we use graphic symbols. Here, while writing, we are using graphic symbols. And in listening and speaking, we are using sounds. But here, in writing, we do not convert these graphic symbols into sounds. But while in reading, we see graphic symbols with our eyes and matched it with sounds. Here, loud reading will be considered. So, reading skill is the correct answer. It means that in reading, we are using graphic symbols and we convert these into sounds. So, we can say that graphic symbol is recognized and matched with sound symbols. So, which is the answer? Reading. In the first question, we have discussed about the sequence of 4 basic language skills. First, the child listens to the language, then the child tries to speak it. Once the child learns the language in spoken form, the parents or teachers teach the child reading and then writing. So, correct answer is listening, speaking, reading and writing. We will find the numbers. First is listening, then speaking, then reading and writing. This question, you are given 5 options. Among them, you have to select 3 correct options because here 3 numbers are given. This is the diagram of speech organs. This is nasal cavity. Here is the tongue, teeth, upper teeth. Here is uvula. So, the tongue. This is nasal cavity. Here is the uvula. Diaphragm and abdomen are not organs of speech. The diaphragm is located at the base of rib cage and abdomen is the region where stomach is located. Or all the digestive organs are located in abdomen. Find nasal cavity, uvula, tongue. So these are the 3 correct options. Nasal cavity 1, 2 and 4. So here is the correct answer 1, 2, 4. The number of words which we can recognize at a glance is called dash dash. While reading, we recognize words, but when we are recognizing words at a glance, this is called eye span. It means the number of words that you look and grasp instead of reading single word or word by word. Here you make the chunks of sentence and read it. This is your eye span. So the correct option is eye span. When you are reading with a chunk of words, it is called your eye span. But what is eye jerk? Our eyes move from one group of words to the next group is our eye jerk. Here we will consider the words, single words which will be made in a chunks. While reading, when our eyes move from one group of words to the next or from one line to the next, then it is called eye jerk. So the correct option is eye jerk. Different activities are involved in the process of reading. We have discussed the process of reading in our earlier session. For details, check out my earlier videos. While reading, we see letters and recognize the graphic or written symbols. When we recognize the graphic symbols, it is recognition. Then we associate the written symbol with the sound symbols, and here reading aloud is done. Simultaneously, when we are producing sounds, the image is framed in our mind. So it is decoding. Recognition, association and decoding are the activities that are involved in reading skill. But here editing and drafting are related to writing activities. So in reading, recognition, association and decoding are the correct option. So here first, fourth and fifth is the correct answer. Last question is dash dash are considered as receptive skill. In listening, we listen to the others. Here we receive some messages from the others. While speaking, we express our feelings. So, here we are expressing ourselves. While reading, we read and we try to understand something. So, also we receive the knowledge here. And while writing, here again we are expressing something in a written form. Listening and reading are the receptive skills. So, where is the listening and reading? Here is the last option. Listening and reading are considered as receptive skills. I hope you enjoyed the session. It will definitely help you in your solving questions. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.